But it's not that easy. That's right. I'm gonna hide these Play-doh spring eggs. Welcome to Little Events.
One, two,
There's, what color is this Play-doh egg?
Pink.
Pink. There's blue, pink,
peach, purple, yellow.
Yellow. All right, I'm gonna hide them. All right, kids, I'm gonna hide one right here, and then I'm gonna hide one right here, and then I'm gonna hide one right here, and then I'm gonna hide the last one right here. All right, let's see if they can find them, kids. Are you guys ready to find them? Close your eyes. All right, you can open them, kids. Now pick up your Easter egg baskets. All right. So whoever can find the most wins. Are you ready?
Ready?
Set? Go! Go, go, go! Whoa! Jerry found one egg! Alright, come on, Jordan! Oh, Jerry found two! Come on, Jordan! Oh, Jordan found an egg! 3! There's one more egg! Can you guys find the last egg? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Oh, Jerry found it! Oh, Jordan, you got tricked. That's a ball. All right, kids, come on. Let's go. Let's count your eggs. How many did you find, Jerry?
1, 2, 3.
3. Jordan, how many did you find?
1.
Oh, that's awesome. You found one. Good job, kids. Now let's open them. Wow, that Easter egg challenge sure got you guys thirsty. Okay, let's open them up.
Let's open this one.
Okay, let's open this one first, kids.
Michelle? I'll open it. I'll open it. Hello.
What do you have, Jordan?
Open it. I'll open it. I'll open it. I'll open it. I'll open it.
You need help?
Okay.
Wow, good job, Jordan. What do you have?
Okay.
You have pink Play-doh.
No. Let's open this one.
Next up, open that one, Jerry.
Look.
What do you have?
Play-doh.
Wow, blue Play-doh. All right, let's open these two, kids. Next up is the yellow Play-doh. Whoa, what do you have?
Play-doh.
It's yellow Play-doh. Now it's Jordan's turn. All right, Jordan, open this one. It's purple. Whoa, it's purple Play-doh, Jordan. Good job. Let's place it with the other Play-doh. All right, now what color is this one?
Purple.
Purple. What color is this one?
Blue. Blue.
What color is this?
Yellow. Yellow.
And
Pink.
yeah! Yellow,
Yellow.
blue, pink,
Purple.
Purple. Good job, kids. Say bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Smart kids. Bye, kids.
Subscribe. What do you want, kids?
Play-doh.
What?
Play-doh.
Play-doh.